In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I budget using Monzo, step-by-step guide to budgeting and how to maximize your savings. First, we'll set up budgets for your spending categories. Open your budgeting tools in the app and decide on categories that reflect your life, like groceries, transport, eating out, and fun money. Look back at last month's spending to set realistic limits, then trim by a small amount to nudge yourself to save. Align your budget period with your payday so your month starts when your income arrives. Turn on alerts for when you're nearing a limit. Those gentle nudges help you slow down before you overspend. Remember, a budget isn't a punishment, it's just you deciding in advance where your money should go. Next, create pots for savings and bills. Start with a bills pot to ring fence essentials like rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Move the total amount for those bills into that pot on payday and set those payments to come out of the bills pot automatically so your everyday spending can't touch them. Then create separate pots for savings goals, an emergency fund, holidays, or annual expenses. Set goals and deadlines so the app tracks your progress and automate transfers to each pot right after payday. If you like, switch on roundups to skim spare change into a savings pot. It's a painless way to build momentum. Now track expenses and adjust weekly. Do a quick 5-minute check-in every week. Scan your feed, recategorize any purchases that landed in the wrong bucket, and see which categories are running hot. If groceries are over but transport is under, reduce grocery spending for the rest of the week or adjust your category limits slightly. Your plan should adapt to real life. Move small top-ups from your general spending to a savings pot if you've had a frugal week, and pause discretionary spending for a few days if you've gone heavy early on. Finally, use Monzo's insights to stay on track. Head to your spending and trends view to see averages, monthly comparisons, and merchant breakdowns. Watch the forecast for your balance through the month and the list of upcoming payments so nothing surprises you. Insights will highlight patterns like a weekday coffee habit or creeping subscription costs so you can cancel, downgrade, or set a tighter category limit next month. Celebrate small wins like staying under budget in one category and roll the leftover into savings. Put it all together. Clear category budgets, protected bills, and goal-based pots, a weekly tune-up, and insights to steer your choices. That's how you turn Monzo into a simple system that protects your essentials, grows your savings, and keeps spending intentional.